Hey, what's up guys? Pyro here, and here's the 2013 stash. Alright, we're gonna start from smallest to biggest. Okay, so we got 4 little crackling balls here. Use some of these, obviously. Then we got these little lightning rounds, and they just crackle for a very, very long time. Then we got some flashing signals here by Shogun. I get these every year. They're $1, and they're pretty good. I like them. Then we got some all red crackers here, some 48 strips. I didn't really go big on the firecrackers this year, but I'm probably gonna get some more on the 4th. They always just come to me somehow. And then we got 2 336 strips here. Just 2 of those. Nice. Then we're gonna come over to the bottle rockets. We got some regular moonshine with bottle rockets from Winda. And yeah, I used a couple, just having fun. And then we got some Red Devil 12 assorted rockets, sky rockets, 12 pieces. Here's some of them. You just see they get bigger, medium, and the smallest. Yeah, some pretty good rockets, looks like. Then over here we got crackling artillery shells, and then we got whistling buster artillery shells, 2 boxes. Then we got our regular box of artillery shells. And yeah, that's 24 shells. And then down here I got 2 96 shot colored pearls. Yeah, 2 of those. Then I got Winda Fireworks Dragon Chrome. And that's 16 shots, 1/2-inch tube. And it's just I think double crackling. Yeah, double crackling whistles. And yeah. Then we got Great Expectation by Winda, 9 shots. Crackling comet tail up breaks into multicolored palm with gold crackling chrysanthemum. 9 shots, 1 inch. And this one, Broken Heart 8 shot by Winda. I haven't opened the top, but like at a comparison, I can feel it's 1 inch, 200 gram repeater. There's a performance. Silver tiger tail burst into red and purple palm with snowflakes. Yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much my Firework Stash for 2013. And yeah, like, comment, rate, and subscribe to Pyro.